Hello everyone, I'm Kalyan from Ritika Farms. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic or an interesting topic, the difference between an Adivasi land and a general land. Normally many people do not know there is any difference between Adivasi land and general land. When it comes to Adivasi land, first let us discuss about who is an Adivasi. An Adivasi is a person who is classified under scheduled tribe or scheduled ST classification. So these kind of people who own this land cannot be. There are certain protections which come under legal protections for protecting their rights as an Adivasi. Now let us come to the point that why you require such kind of provisions. Because over a period of time, government has recognized, or if you can remember, that most of the Adivasis have been exploited because of probably their education background. Probably they didn't have the means to understand. So their lands have been illegally occupied or forcibly occupied or been sold without proper representation. Many of the Adivasis have been subjected to such kind of injustice. So the government has come out with some special legal rights for Adivasis. So how do you find out whether the land is an Adivasi or a general land? So when you are looking at something called as Satbara, which is basically kind of a land ownership title deed, which is given by the government of India or local government like Maharashtra government or any state government as such. So here in Maharashtra we call it as Satbara. It is Satbara extract, we call it as, where you mention in the title, basically it is mentioned scheduled tribe. So, or if you can actually check the caste certificate of that individual person, so you will know whether he is a general or a Adivasi. So when you are dealing with such kind of land, there are certain things which you have to be careful of. You need to understand that how the legal framework works for Adivasis. So let us come to the difference, or how do you what are the legal rights for an Adivasi as such. So when you are talking about an Adivasi land, most of the lands cannot be bought. Adivasi land can be bought by an Adivasi. Adivasi land cannot be bought or mortgaged or sold by an Adivasi to a general category person as such. Because that is the reason why you see most of the Adivasi lands are priced much lower than the general land which is available in the market as such. That's why many of the people who want to buy agriculture land fall prey for such, because you feel that these lands are cheap and you try to go and purchase. But when you go, when you indulge in the process of changing your title, that's where you realize that your title cannot be changed from an Adivasi, the person of the owner, to you, because legally they are protected. You cannot change the title owners unless you get a special permission from the collector. Even though you get a special permission from the collector, if a person from the family who goes and contests this sale, proceed in the court, it can be easily overturned, since the courts recognize that he or she might have been lured into this sale deed, sale contract by by many means of because you are selling the land in a low and they don't know how to what are the normal rates in the market. That's what the court believes as such. So when you are looking at such kind of lands, you need to be very careful. Either you have to buy it through an Adivasi who is there in the local, whom you know, and take a power of attorney for that land. So then you can even then also power of attorney can also be overturned, but probably the best thing is avoid buying any Adivasi land as such. So first of all, what precaution you have to take when you are buying land is, you need to see whether the land is in the general category or Adivasi land. So the first measure is, when somebody is giving you low cost, mostly Adivasi lands are very cheap because many of the Adivasis do not have that kind of money to buy. So if any Adivasi is buying from an Adivasi, the land is obviously cheap. So the same rate is applied to the general who is buying. So if many of the people coming from the cities or towns, they come here and see that this piece of land is cheap, and you fall for that. So when you are doing such kind of deals, you have to be very careful as such.